Good morning, children. I hope you're all well. The last week and then it's half term. Now we're going to continue with fractions today. So I'm going to share my screen. Today we are going to be finding fractions of a number. So you may want to get some equipment today. I know you might not have counters at home, but anything that you've got a lot of, it might help you. I know some of you have got a large car collection. You might have teddies that you can use. I'm quite lucky because I've got my things on the screen. So, as I said, we're going to find fractions of a number. So the first question we're going to look at is, what is 1/3 of 12? So what we've been asked to do is to split 12, which is the whole number, into 3 equal parts. And then we've got to say how many is in one of those parts. So we've got the number 12. And we're going to split it into 3 equal groups. We're going to divide it into 3 equal groups. That is what we've got to do. So I've got my 12 bananas here. I don't know why bananas. There was fruit on your worksheet, so on your to-do. So I've gone with the fruit too. So there's 3 groups. I'm just going to keep sharing them into those groups. So every group's got 2. Every group has 3. And every group has 4. So there is a third. There is a third. And there is a third. 3 equal groups. There are 4 in each group. And the question says, what is 1/3 of 12? So in 1/3 of 12, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. So the answer to the problem is 4. Let's have a look at another one. So what is 1/5 of 15? So if you want to do this with some equipment at home, before I do it, you can pause the video and get 15 things, maybe 15 pieces of cutlery, 15 spoons, 15 teddies. So you've got 15 pieces of watermelon, it's even better. I've got to find how many is in 1/5 of 15. So I've got to split the number 15 into 5 groups, 5 equal groups. So 15 divided into 5 equal groups, and I'm trying to find out how many is in one of those groups. Start by splitting them into 5 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 in each group now. It's a pain, that smart notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that I've got 5 groups now. There's 1 group, it's 1/5, and 2/5, and 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. And as you can see, when I get 15 and I put it into 5 groups, in one group out of the 5, in 1/5, there will be 3. So the answer is 3. 1/5 of 15 is 3. Have a look at another example. What is 1/4 of 16? Hopefully you're picking up the idea of it now. So I've got 16 raspberries, and I've got to split them into 4 equal groups. So it will be 16 divided into 4 equal groups. And I've got to work out how many is in one. So let's start by putting them into 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 4 groups. There's group 1. There's group 2. There's group 3. And there's group 4. Just share them out. There's 3 in each group. And there's 4 in each group. Okay. So 4 lots of 4 is 16. And in one group, there is 4. There's 1/4. And as you can see, in the 1/4, there are 4 pieces. So the answer is 4. You can use your times tables for this. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. So the answer is 3. And 3 times 4 is 12. You can use your times tables to answer this. Whoops, I was meant to change that one. We'll just get rid of it. We've just done that one. I'm not doing that one again. And now I've got some pineapples. 18 pineapples. I've got to find out how many is in one group when there are 2 equal groups. So I've got to do 18 and divide it by 2. Now some of you will know this straight away because you know your 2 times tables. 2 times 9 is 18, so there's going to be 9. Let's just check. 1 in that group, 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 1 in that group. If you know your doubles, you know your halves, and if you know your 2 times table, you'll know for this one. So hopefully, I haven't been counting. I should have been concentrating more instead of talking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 1/2, and in 1/2 there is 9. The answer to the problem is 9. It's also 9 in that half too. In 1/2 there is 9, and in 2 halves there is 8 together. So hopefully, children, you have understood how to find a fraction of a number. On your worksheet, you can circle the amount. It's quite easy to circle the amount, or you can get some equipment and some things that you can put into groups, and that might help you too. If you have any problems, then you can always message us on the blog or email us, and I will be there on the emails tomorrow. There are 2 to-dos set today, children, and that's because you've got 2 questions on one to-do and 2 questions on another to-do. So make sure you complete both of them, please. Take care, all of you. Goodbye.